Need to hire a roofing contractor? Here's what you should know before making a decision. First, make sure they're a legitimate roofer. Ask if they have insurance and look up their license number if your area requires one. And make sure they have a physical address. If they don't, they may be here today and gone tomorrow. Ask about their experience and expertise and check out their reviews online. Discuss the entire process for the job you need completed and find out if they're required to obtain permits. Now be sure to collect several estimates and compare them for more than just price. When discussing costs with the roofer, inquire about their pricing compared to others. Cheaper options might compromise on necessary components like shingles and accessories, crucial for a complete roof system that ensures optimal protection. It's essential to confirm the quality of materials, such as those from reliable brands like ICO, known for durability over time.